Hi. Well, thank you first of all for allowing me to sit down with you. I understand that you're frustrated. This kind of thing happens sometimes, but I'm really sorry. Let me just be the first one to apologize that this happened to you. I know we promised you high quality, we promised these good things, and it's really frustrating when it doesn't. We don't actually follow through with our commitments. Now, from what I understood from your letter, the shoes are starting to have a little wear and tear before the season actually begins. So you guys have been practicing with them and using them, and they're not living up to the quality that we had discussed when we sold them. Is that right?
Yes. So thanks for meeting with me. But I brought actually one of the shoes that we've been practicing with. And we practice hard, but not enough to tear a brand new shoe in 2 months before our season starts.
Sure.
And so we've noticed that, like, there's just tears here, like someone's toe literally went through as he was jumping up to make a slam dunk. And
A lot of wear and tear.
yeah, so much wear and tear that not even I, as the coach, was upset, but the parents were upset and the children were upset as well, just because we do have a game coming up next Friday, and it's our first game. And if we don't win this game, then it kind of just sets the morale for the rest of the season.
Sure.
And this is kind of already giving us a low morale for the season because we spent so much time researching which company was best, and that's why we chose yours, and which one was going to give us the best quality and more bang for our buck. So that's why we chose your company. But then we realized that we're not really getting the best bang for our buck if after 2 months we have destroyed shoes. So we were just wondering what compromise we can come to, just so we can have the best for our team, and the best so that our parents can see that their money is actually going to something good instead of something that's going to be torn in 2 months when our season is a long one.
Okay. Yeah. Well, really, thanks for sharing that with me. I've actually never seen something this bad happen before. We sell, as you know, we're one of the top ranked above our competition, and that's the last thing we want is for you guys to be on our unsatisfied customers. We run on happy customers, so we want you to be happy, and we want you to have the best product because we do have the best products, and that's what we sell. So something that happens from time to time is, as you know, these shoe manufacturers they get these really large orders, and in order to meet the demand for them, because we put a pretty heavy timeline on them so that you guys can have your shoes on time and that we can get paid. So what happens is sometimes they'll make the shoes, and usually each shoe, we make sure they double check the quality of each shoe before they actually submit them. But when they have these big orders of thousands, I mean, you guys ordered a couple hundred pairs, but that's just a tenth of the order for that day, and so they can sometimes get really complacent and not check the shoes. And so I'm really sorry that happened, especially with this company and this brand. So what we're going to do for you is, in order to keep a good relationship, is we're going to get you a new set of shoes for each player that's run into the problem, because it's not all the shoes, I imagine, right?
No, it's not.
Okay. So just get us a list and maybe send us a picture of the shoes, of all the players who are having trouble with their shoes, and that ones that look like this for sure, or really any major problems or defects. And what we'll do is we'll get you a new pair. What I can do for you, just to ensure that this doesn't happen again, is I'll make sure and give them a call, and make sure that each pair of shoes that we order, because I imagine it'll probably be about 50 to 100. I'll make sure that they double check the quality on all 50 to 100 of those shoes, so that this problem doesn't happen again, because we'd hate to lose your business and we'd hate for you guys to have a bad season because of a pair of shoes.
Right.
So does that fix things? Does that seem like it'll solve the problem?
I think it will. I think it'll help the children and all of our families that that felt a little robbed with this product. I think it'll kind of help them feel a little bit better about it.
And on top of that, Boss gave us permission for next season to allow a 10% discount on all the shoes as well.
That's great.
So that way we keep your business for next season as well. Does that sound good?
Yeah, that sounds great. Thank you.
Thank you so much for meeting with me. And
of course.
Just shoot me an email with those names and we'll get that taken care of.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.